Does cracking knuckles cause harm? You might have tried cracking your knuckles. Cracking knuckles is a common habit for many people, and there's been some debate about whether it causes any damage. At the end, you'll know. When you crack your knuckles, the noise you hear is because of gas bubbles popping inside the fluid around your joints. Some research suggests that habitual knuckle cracking might lead to some swelling and a reduction in grip strength over time. However, these effects are generally considered minor and not universally observed. So the answer is no. How many cracks did you hear?